Let's create golden skin tone. First, let's start by creating a gradient map. Go to adjustment layer, then select gradient map. Next, click to gradient bar. Open to gradient editor. Within a preset, go inside basic folder and select the black and white gradient, and then next OK. Next, select a layer gradient mask and go to the image menu. Apply image and open the dialog box. Layer menu, select merged. Channel, select RGB color. Blending mode, multiply. Opacity 100% and click OK. Go to adjustment layer, select hue and saturation. Create clipping mask. Select colorize. Set the parameter according to image. Delete the mask. Select the skin by using quick selection tool. Create a new mask. Select the breast tool, take the foreground color black and remove the color of the eyes and lips. You can see the before and after results. Subscribe for such more amazing content.